Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ERN. In my so many previous videos, I've been showing you that ERN first broke out a very long-term down channel on a weekly time frame chart, and after that, it also formed a descending triangle as well. And when it was moving at the support of the triangle, and in fact, it was moving at a very long-term support zone that starts from $1.40 and goes to $1.65. And in those days, I told you that now there is a probability that after testing this quite long-term support zone, ERN may break out this resistance of the descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart, and the target for the breakout can be approximately at $7.60. Let me show you what I told you in my previous videos. Price and breaks out this descending triangle, then the target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $7.06, and the final target for this previous breakout from this big down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $20. And now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that finally the price then geared up from this support zone and broke out the resistance of this triangle. First, we got two more rejections here, and finally we broke it out here in the month of Feb 2024. And then you can see that the price then pumped very well. And so far from this though, from this support of the triangle, up till this current high, it has valued almost 536%. And recently, you can see that ERN has also broken out this quite long-term resistance of $6 as well. That was previously working almost as a support here, resistance here, and now it is working as a support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line is retesting the previous resistance of $6 as a support. And now the next resistance will be here at $10. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And by the way, this can be another very significant resistance because previously for several weeks, it had been working as a support here and resistance here. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel as well in today's video. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for ERN that I shared, by the way, in the month of September, on 27th of September 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that ERN was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line dropped more down and entered the buying zone here on this candlestick. Then we had a very nice pump, and this was almost 12% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of ERN, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and this was the descending triangle that I was showing you in my previous videos, and this was the down channel. You can see that previously it had been moving inside this quite long-term down channel since after the month of August 2022 up till here in the month of September 2022. And here at this support, quite long-term support of $1.40, the price line in fact formed a double bottom, a quite big double bottom. And after that, we broke out the resistance of this down channel, but could not break out this quite long-term resistance of $4.50. Previously, you can see that this level has been working as a support here for several weeks. And after the breakdown, you can see it was flipped into a strong and long-term resistance. We got rejection here. We got another rejection here. And finally, when the price then again tested this support of $1.40 here, the price line of ERN started a very massive reversal and broke out the resistance of the triangle. First, we broke out this resistance of $2.75 that had been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And after breaking out, imminently, it also broke out this very long-term and quite strong and major resistance of $4.50 as well. And after that, you can see that we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance of $6. And now there is a probability that after retesting the previous resistance of $6 as a support, the price line may start another reversal to the upside and try to break out the next resistance of $10. Now, as you can see that the price then has so far rallied almost up to $8.75, and the target that I was telling you for the breakout from this triangle was at $7.60. Then we have achieved the target for the breakout from this triangle, but still there is a very huge move due. That is the target for this breakout from this down channel, and that is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.